Today at FoneFunShop we're doing a quick demonstration on how to fit these hydrogel films for the back. So we've got an iPhone 11 here. What we're going to do is grab a cloth, make sure we've got a nice clean surface for the hydrogel to stick on. Then we're going to grab our hydrogel film and peel it off like so. Make sure any cutouts you get, you take out as well. So now we're just going to line up the film, try and get as centered as possible. Once you're happy with where it is situated, press down on the middle and grab yourself a card, put pressure down on the middle. So start off on one side, peel the film back and then apply pressure like so. Go over it a few times, getting rid of any bubbles that you can see, applying pressure with the card, and then flip the phone around and do the same to the other side. Same again, using the card, applying pressure to the film, pushing out any bubbles that you can see. And once you're happy with the result, pull the top layer off. And that is how we fit a hydrogel back protector on any phone. Thank you for watching.